Well, the last of the signs are coming down from US 52 at 500 West. This is part of the New Pal Open for Biz project. This is actually an INDOT project, one of two. The other one's by 500 West and 52. And the goal of New Pal Open for Biz is to keep businesses open while the bridge was being closed, while 552 were being worked on. And then also, we weren't prepared for the COVID, but we did the best we could during the COVID. In fact, there's an actual local business owner there at the intersection, good in ground maintenance. I probably mispronounced that, but hey, he got the plug. So again, this road closed about March 30th, and it's been a long haul. It was supposed to close the 2nd of March. The follow-up phases are roads will be patched and paved where necessary for whatever damage that happened during the detours. The official detour was to go to Route 9 and 40. And there goes a local business owner right there. But our goal was to make sure people didn't detour US 52. Heaven sakes forbid that they can't get the Frosty Boy. You gotta make sure you get the Frosty Boy. So this has been a combined effort of a whole bunch of sponsors, including Hancock Health. And Hancock Health is building their behind the get-go. I'm gonna tilt up just a little bit so you can see it. And it's a wellness center with a physical therapy, a whole bunch of other things involved. We'll talk more about that later. But again, Hancock Health is our title sponsor, and we appreciate the patience of the community in New Pal of working around this detour. So again, go to at New Pal Open for Biz. It's the number 4 BIZ on Instagram and Facebook.